This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making pan-fried pork belly marinated with shrimp paste, or Har Cheong. This is Har Cheong pork belly. Some of you asked what you can do with the rest of the prawn paste after making Har Cheong Gai from my previous recipe. Well, you can use it to make Har Cheong pork. Har Cheong pork does not require deep frying, and it tastes just as good. By the way, the link to the Har Cheong Gai recipe is in the description below. I have here 800 grams of pork belly. Don't pick a piece that's too fatty or too lean. Pick a piece that's about 50 to 60% ratio of fat to lean meat. If your pork belly comes with a layer of skin, get your butcher to remove it for you. If not, this is how you remove it. Make a slit under the skin. Flip it over and grab the skin tightly. Position your knife about 45 degrees, then cut forward as you pull the skin back. So, make a slit under the skin so that you can get a good grip on the skin itself. Position the knife about 45 degrees and cut forward while pulling the skin back. Next, cut your pork belly into about 1 finger width thick slices. For the marinade, finely chop up 2 tablespoons of shallots. And 2 cloves of garlic. To these, add 2 tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of your prawn paste or Har Cheong, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce. Pour them over your pork belly. Coat the pork belly evenly with the marinade. Make sure that all the surfaces of your pork belly get some loving from the marinade itself. Marinate this for 30 minutes if you do not have time. Otherwise, marinate them for a few hours, or even better, overnight. I would usually prepare this and let them marinate in the fridge for a couple of days until I'm ready to use them. But do take note that the longer you marinate your pork, the saltier it would be. When you're ready to cook, take the pork belly out of the fridge. Remove the excess marinade and the onion and garlic that's stuck to the pork itself. Otherwise, the onions and the garlic will burn when you're pan frying your pork belly. You will get little black bits of bitterness that will ruin the dish. In a hot pan, over medium heat, add in 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, put in the pork belly. I have cut my pork belly in half because it was a bit too long. A shorter piece will make it easier for me to handle in the pan. Cover the pan and let it fry for about 2 minutes. You will want the steam to build up in the pan so that it will cook the pork belly itself. After 2 minutes, flip the pork belly over. The bottom of the pork should be golden brown in color. Now, you will want to brown the other side as well. Fry this other side for another 1 to 2 minutes. This centerpiece does not look brown enough, so I'll give it a little bit more time. Pan fry the rest of your pork belly the same way. Your pork belly is done when both sides are golden brown. This is pan-fried pork belly, marinated in shrimp paste or Har Cheong pork.